guys, so in one of our earlier videos, we focused on making a visualization just focused on movies. So, looking at the movie length and categorizing how many movies we have like that. In this one, we're gonna focus on our TV shows, and we're gonna try to find out which month has the highest, number of TV shows, that were released. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our Power Query editor, and we're going to duplicate this query. So we're going to name this Netflix underscore titles underscore TV, right? And we have these all ready, copied from Netflix titles. And what I'm going to do here first thing is I'm going to filter this so that the type is only TV show. So that's the first step. Now, when I look at date added, I do have a date here, but what I'm going to do is we're going to extract the month, right? The name of the month. So in order to do this, I'm going to click on date added and go to add column. And on the date function, I'm going to hit month and extract the name of month, right? So I do that, and we have this new column. So I'm just going to rename this to, let's call this release month. Great. So we have that ready, and let's see how many titles. So we have 148 rows, so that's the total number of TV shows we have, and I'm just going to hit done, and we're going to build out our visual. So first, it'll just take time we're going to have 3 tables loading in now, and now that that's ready, we will start with our visual. So I'm going to just make 2 here. So we're going to have a table first and also a column chart. So first in the table, I'm going to open Netflix titles TV, add in release month and our the count of titles, right? And there we go. Right, so we have this, and then I'm just going to copy this and paste it, drag it on this side. And this is a really handy trick. If you want to work quicker, you can just do this and hit the column chart, and it'll automatically translate those for you. I'm just going to enable, I meant to enable our data labels here so we know how many. So we can tell that December clearly has the highest, but if you notice, these aren't ordered the right way, right? It's ordered alphabetically, so it's A for April and all the way up to S for September. Same over here, it's ordered by number, so we're just going from the highest count to the lowest count. And this is a common problem that people generally run into when you're trying to order by month, because we want this to be ordered like from January to December. So in order to get this right, we're going to go back to Power Query editor, and we're going to add in one extra step here. So we're going to go to Netflix titles TV and go back to our date added, and over here we're still going to go to the add column. The only difference this time is on the date we're going to extract not the name of the month, the number of the month, which is just if you hit month, right? So now if we go to the end, we see we have this, and I'm just gonna, now it has a month number. So September corresponds to 9, August corresponds to 8, June is 6, as you can see. And that's done. I'm going to rename that, go back to home, hit close and apply, and we should have these changes applicable now. Great. Now, in order to make sure that this maps correctly, we're going to go to our table view, and Netflix titles, we're going to open up Netflix titles TV and scroll all the way to the right. And now we're going to order this column, the release month column, by the month number. So we're going to hit by sort by column and hit where we have a month number. So once we do that, you'll notice that August is 8, February is 2, everything matches up, right? We're going to go back to report view, and over here, once we click on the visual, and we can just sort axis by the release month, right? And right now I think it's sorted descending. We're going to make that ascending, and now you can see that works, and we're going to do the same thing here. Well, you already have it sorted here. Great. So now, as you can see, it's from January to December. We can see how it goes. You know, in the middle of the year up till March, it goes up. Then you have a little bit of a lull in the summer months, and then even more of a lull, I guess, coming to the later months, and then it really peaks in December, right? Maybe because it's cold and people want to binge more. So yeah, that was what today was about. Just a quick analysis on TV shows and really helpful pointer on how to get around that month issue. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Bye bye.